How to install Fortnite on iOS in 2024. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Safari. Once you are in here, in the search bar, search for epic.download. It will land you on the official page of Epic Game Store. Once you are in here, tap on Install on iOS. It will be landing you on this page. Tap on Install at the bottom, and then click on OK. Now, head over to your settings of your device. Below your Apple ID, the option of Allow Apps from Epic Games will be visible to you. Head over to it, and then click on Allow. Once you click on Allow, the Epic Game Store will start to install it on your device. You have to wait for a while for it to complete. All you want to do is tap on Install App Marketplace. Once the download has been completed, now what you want to do is, you have to head over to the application Epic Game Store. Once you open the app, it will land you on this page. Tap on Accept. Over here, different games will be visible to you, like Fortnite, Fall Guys, and many more. As you're looking forward on installing Fortnite, tap on Install. Once you click on Install, it will start to download on your device. Once again, click on Install App. Once the application has been installed, you have to open it. And once again, you have to complete this downloading process, which is of 13.34 GB. You have to wait for a while for it to complete this process. Once the process has been completed, you will be good to go. After that, you will be able to play the game on your device. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can download Fortnite on iOS device. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.